Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video to brighten up somebody's day. Whenever I see a glowworm, I think of this short poem written by an author unknown. If you do know the name of the author, please comment below as I'd love to give credit. So here it goes. I wish I were a glowworm. A glowworm's never glum. 'Cause how can you be grumpy when the sun shines out of your bum? And just like that, I've brightened up your day too. In this video, I will be paper piecing with a backdrop die, Copic colouring and adding sequins for extra glow. Before I begin, I would like to ask you to get clicky for Vicki. This is my own catchy way of asking you to like, share, comment and subscribe. For this card, I used Lawn Fawn Little Fireflies, Life is Good stamp sets, the Whimsy Stamps Twinkle Swirl die, Lawn Fawn Blue Jay and Gemstone Shimmer in blue cardstock. All other supplies will be listed in the description below. Off screen I die cut the Twinkle Swirl backdrop into some blue shimmer cardstock. I then added this to Tropical Shimmer cardstock in yellow. I also die cut the backdrop die in Blue Jay cardstock and just kept the swirl pieces. My idea was to have the yellow shining through the stars of a night sky. I planned out the card using stamps from Lawn Fawn Life is Good and Little Fireflies. I stamped the images out on Nina Classic Crest £80 cardstock using Memento Tuxedo black ink, and I colour them using Copics. The caps can be seen on the screen. I stamped a mixture of front and back facing glowworms for variety. Off screen, I fussy cut the glowworms and then arranged them on the card. I attached them flat with liquid glue. I stamped the sentiment on white cardstock and cut this out using a Lawn Fawn banner die. I added this to the card using liquid glue and I trimmed off the overhanging edge. Finally, I attach sequins to the glowworms' bums for a little extra glow. A pickup tool and the Misty Precision Glue Press make light work of this. Get it? With a little light humour, I'll stop now, I promise. My card is complete. This was nice and easy to put together and I love the simple design. This card was inspired by episode 214 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. A card to say thank you for a person who brightens your day, candlelight colours in blue and yellow. I left it to the glowworms to light up the sky, and the backdrop die created a Retiform backdrop. Retiform is creating a network or grid-like pattern on your card using lines or shapes. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it's all about, and I hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to Craft Roulette on YouTube. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to get clicky for Vicki. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I'll be back soon.